Hello everyone, welcome to Java Tech. This is Navneet and today's topic is Java Collector Framework. Let's first see what is Collector Framework. The collector is a concept within Stream API used to define how a stream elements are collected, reduced and transformed into results. So as you know, stream is a set of elements, but either it can be integers, string, or other element types. We can do multiple operation using the collector framework. So let's say we have a stream of integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to do the sum of all the integers. So you can use the collector concept and do the operation on the stream and get the final result. So in the framework, we have two types of object. We have a collector interface and other is the collector's util class. Now let's see what is the use of the collector framework. Main use is to transform the one type of stream to a list, to set, to map, or a single stream. It can also be used to grouping purposes, to partitioning, and other transformation functions. It provides a way to define how the stream data should be collected, transformed, and combined. Now let's first see what is the collector interface. And then in the next upcoming videos, I will be defining what is collector's util class looks like. First, let's understand what is the collector's framework arguments are. First argument is a T, which is the type of elements in the stream. You know, as I mentioned before, stream can be of integer, string, and other objects. So that particular element belongs to T. A is the type of accumulator that is used to collect the results. So a great example is the string builder. R is the type of final result of what comes up to the accumulator. In the left side, you can see there is a object-oriented diagram mentioned. In the collector interface, you can see there are 5 types of function: a supplier, a accumulator, a combiner, a finisher, and a characteristics. Let's see using an example what each function does and how it is being used. In this example, our objective is to transform a list of string into a single string which is comma separated. So let's say we have a list of string containing apple, banana, cherry, and dates. And we need to define a collector interface which will collect all this into a comma separated string. Okay, we have defined in this example two string collector, which is implementing all the 5 functions which we just discussed. So let's see a function one by one. So first is the supplier function. Supplier will create an empty string builder as an initial container and return a new string builder instance. Second is the collector function, which will append each element of the string to a string builder and add a separator if it is not the first element. Then we have a combiner. Combiner responsible to combine two string builder objects into one and append the second string builder to the first one. Then we have a finisher, which converts the final string builder to a string using the string builder to string reference function. And then we have a characteristic. This will tell us that this collector is unordered and does not support concurrent processing. Now let's see the characteristics of characteristics function. There are 3 characteristics: concurrent, unordered, and identity finish. First is concurrent characteristic. If you set this parameter in characteristic function, then this indicates that collector can be used safely in parallel stream. Though there is one condition that container must be thread safe, like concurrent hash map, it enhances performance for parallel streaming. Second is unordered. This indicates that the order of the element does not matter in the final results. For example, if the container is set, the order does not matter. It will potentially increase the performance of the operation. The third and the final one is the identity finish. It indicates that the result of accumulation process is same as the final result and no additional transformation is needed. It will skip the finisher function and whatever the accumulator has been stored in the final result will be the return from the characteristic function. This is all in this video. In next video, we will see Java collector util class, where we will discuss all the functions which are in the Java collector, including in Java 8, Java 9, Java 10 till Java 17. So be with me and wait for the next video.